For those who don't know what is arsenicum album 13, it is a homeopathic drug that India's Ministry of Ayush prescribed on 6 March ahead of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is also a short form denoted as AA30C. Okay, and in section 1 it is used for preventive and prophylactic, and for subsection it is a homeopathic medicine which is advised by the Ministry of Healthcare for the prevention of COVID-19. Okay, it is to be taken daily once on an empty stomach for around 3 days. So how it is made? There is a mother tincture, okay, in which arsenic trioxide, okay, arsenic trioxide is actually another name or another form of arsenic drug. Okay, arsenic actually, if you see, it is a metal. Okay, and the other forms which is available has dosage forms are arsenate, arsenic pentoxide, arsenic trioxide, arsenic trichloride, and arsenate, sodium arsenate, etc. Okay, so the main use of this drug is actually to treat cancer of white blood cells. Okay, cancer of white blood cells is known as leukemia. A specific prescription is available that is for only form of arsenic, that is arsenic trioxide. Okay, it is given by IV or intravenous route, that is through injection into the skin for treatment of a specific type of cancer of the white blood cells known as promyelolytic leukemia. It can also be made by heating arsenic with water. Okay, it is diluted to around 100 times, and this process is repeated for around 30 times till the final product is obtained. In the process is repeated for around 30 times, it is giving a potency of 30C. So the mother tincture, okay, used here is 200 grams of arsenic trioxide. So focusing more on the drug is arsenic, which is a metal, a trace element which is found in several seafoods, poultry, grains, especially rice, bread, cereals products, mushrooms, and dairy products. Organic arsenic has serious side effects. Arsenic is used for asthma, cough, pain, and swelling. But note, no good scientific evidence supports these uses. Using arsenic can be really unsafe. In leukemia or cancer of white blood cells, arsenic trioxide increases the death of cancer cells. Insufficient evidence is found for asthma, cancer, cough, hemorrhoids, itching, and rheumatoid arthritis, skin itchiness, and other diseases. Arsenic, when taken by the mouth, is likely safe when eaten in normal food amounts. The amount of arsenic found naturally in foods, organic arsenic, does not seem to cause any harm. Other form of arsenic, that is inorganic arsenic, are really dangerous for health, especially when taken by mouth and used in long term or in high doses. They can be very poisonous. Don't take arsenic supplements just like that. Taking 100 microgram per kg daily over time can produce symptoms of arsenic poisoning. Taking high dose of arsenic, 5 mg or sometimes less, short term can cause digestive tract symptoms. Higher doses can also cause severe poisoning and death. Inorganic arsenic is classified as cancer causing agents in humans. Arsenic water contaminated with inorganic arsenic can be linked to cancer, heart problems, and skin diabetes. When given by injection, arsenic trioxide, that is the main component of arsenic album 30, is likely safe when given intravenously to adults by only health care providers. Only this drug, okay, in IV form is FDA approved prescription drug. So you must be wondering, what is FDA? FDA is a body which governs of what food and drugs are safe and can be released into the market. So for pregnancy and breastfeeding ladies, arsenic is likely safe when eaten in normal food amount. However, other forms of arsenic are likely unsafe. Inorganic arsenic can be linked to miscarriages, stillbirths, and in some cases death of newborn infants. Do not take arsenic supplements and avoid water contaminated with inorganic arsenic, especially if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Low levels of folic acids, in cases of folic acid deficiency, there are some evidences that folic acid deficiency decreases the way the body processes and removes arsenic and may contribute to higher arsenic levels. Heart problems. The prescription form of arsenic, that is arsenic trioxide, can affect heart rhythm in some patients. And one of the major interaction of arsenic trioxide is that it can cause irregular heartbeats, and even if taken with medicines that causes irregular heartbeats, that or anti-arrhythmic drugs. Some medications can cause an irregular heartbeat, including amiodarone, disopyramide, and many other similar drugs. Despite of the COVID pandemic, this drug has been seen to be in a huge demand. Ever since the states have introduced a protocol for using these drugs against COVID-19, that people are ready to buy the drugs even double or triple the cost. There is such a big debate. The debate shows that there is no scientific evidence that the drug works against COVID-19. A fact stressed not only by medical scientists but also by some homeopathic practitioners themselves. So arsenicum album has been recommended by the state governments in Rajasthan, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala, while the Maharashtra government is yet to take a formal decision, but now it is already taken. So towards India, which has a very huge population, there should be a strong evidence to why to take this drug. There have been health hazards associated with arsenic contamination in water, and long-term exposure to the metal can cause skin cancer, pulmonary and cardiovascular diseases. The homeopathic drug, even though it has 1% arsenic, it takes care of diarrhea, cough and cold, and a small bottle costs hardly about 20 to 30 rupees. It is also published by the International Academy of Classical Homeopathy that arsenic album is commonly used to treat anxiety, restlessness, cold, ulceration and burning pain. It is taken in powder form or as tablet, but there is still no strong evidence that it can cure or it can be effective against COVID-19. So even Dr. Balram Bhargava, the director of Indian Council of Medicines, told the Indian Express that we have issued no guidelines against the medicine. WHO's chief scientist Dr. Soumya Swaminathan told the Indian Express, with no clinical trial or large-scale studies have been undertaken where to scientifically validate the use of arsenicum album as preventive medication, but the massive demand has worried some homeopaths. Also, Dr. Vijayakar said that organization has written to the Ayush Ministry asking why no trial has been conducted to assess its efficacy before recommending it. Ayush Ministry has based its recommendations on existing use of medicines for respiratory illness and influenza. Several homeopaths have pointed out that each individual reacts differently to homeopathic medicines, and no medicine cannot be used universally as prophylactic for all. It can be only a part of the treatment if at all, said Dr. Bahubali Shah, a homeopathy practitioner. Homeopathic drug untested for efficacy against COVID-19 is widely distributed in Mumbai right now. There is also no evidence on whether the medicine, which is given for a broad spectrum for respiratory illness, holds any preventive properties for COVID-19, yet its demands has skyrocketed. Experts, however, say such large-scale distribution without any trial may lead to false sense of security among people. Amid the pandemic, the bottles have been even sold for rupees 100 by the chemists because of mass distribution and huge demand. One bottle has around 90 tiny pills, enough for a family for several months. The pills consist of the water memory of arsenic trioxide, otherwise a highly toxic substance which is diluted to a point that only the nanoparticles remain in the solution and nullify the toxicity. The concept of memory of water used for homeopathic dilutions has been debated globally. Though the Ayush Ministry must have based their claims on the benefit of the medication, the Municipal Corporation has also approved for its distribution, giving to all the family for a 3 days dose. So in the end, I would like with the warnings which everyone should know, and it is also written on the bottle of Arsenic Album 30, in which the claims based on traditional homeopathic medicine and it is not accepted medical evidence, not FDA evaluated, and though it contains sugar, diabetes, and persons intolerant of sucrose should consult a doctor before use. Do not use if allergic to any ingredients. Consult a doctor before use for serious conditions or if conditions worsen or persist. If pregnant or nursing, consult a doctor before use. Do not use if safety seal is broken or missing. Thank you.